Don't be a chicken. Understanding idioms in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a fun and feather-ruffled phrase in English. Be a chicken. Stick with us to unravel its meaning and usage, and by the end, you won't be a chicken when it comes to using this idiom. Be a chicken is an idiom that means to be scared or afraid to do something. It's a playful way to describe someone who is not willing to take risks or is fearful of facing a challenge. The phrase comes from the observation that chickens are skittish and easily frightened animals. This comparison has nestled its way into various cultures and languages, becoming a popular and humorous way to tease someone who is being timid. You can use this phrase in informal situations to encourage someone to be brave or to tease them gently about their fears. For example, don't be a chicken. Try the roller coaster with us. There are a few variations of the phrase, such as chicken out, which means to decide not to do something because of fear. For instance, I was going to bungee jump, but I chickened out at the last minute. When using this phrase, remember it's all in good fun. It's important to be sensitive to others' feelings and not to use it in a way that truly hurts someone. And that's it. We hope this video has helped you understand what it means to be a chicken, and that you'll have the courage to sprinkle this idiom into your English conversations. Until next time, keep learning and don't be a chicken about trying out new expressions.